Sinibak na sa pwesto ang hepe ng Navotas Police na si Colonel Alan Umpig at 22 nitong tauhan matapos ang pagkamatay ng 17 anyos na si Jerod Jemboy Baltasar na napagkamalang suspect sa police operation. Ayon sa National Capital Region Police Office o NCRPO, tinanggal si Umpig dahil sa bigong pangasiwaan ng maayos ang operasyon. Samantala, tinanggal din sa pwesto sina Police Captain Juanito Arabejo at Police Chief Master Sergeant Aurelito Galvez ng Station Investigation and Detective Management Section dahil naman yan sa neglect of duty. Nakasaad sa NCRPO memorandum na hindi umano nakapagsumite ng paraffin examination at hindi rin naghanap ng olekta, nag-preserve at nag-record ng ebidensya ang mga ito na trabaho nila bilang investigador.
Of course, is merong relief order ang Chief of Police ng Navotas City Police Station based on the recommendation of the District Director of the Northern Police District, General Gapas. Of course, nag-submit siya ng kanyang investigation report yesterday, and so I acted on it. Perusal of these records, I concurred with their conclusion as well as approved their recommendation. And one of the recommendation is the relief of the Chief of Police.